Hello class 7 boys and girls. We believe you are doing well back at home. I want to take you through a short topic here on decimals, the last one, combined operations on decimals. I have written an example on the board involving the bracket, addition and subtraction. So when we have such sums, we have a procedure, and the procedure here is that you work out what you're given in the bracket first. So in the bracket we have 7.243 plus 3.340. Add 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5, 7 plus 3 gives us 10. So once we find out the total sum of what we are given in the bracket, then we take away from 13.478. Take away 10.583. 8 minus 3 gives us 5. 7 minus 8 is impossible, so we have to borrow. And we borrow to make this, from 4 to make this 17. 17 minus 8 gives you 9. You are left with 3. You borrow from 3. You have 13. 13 minus 5 will give you 8. Then our decimal point. We were left with 2 here. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer then to this one example here is 2.895. Procedure is work out the bracket, then take away the result from 13.485. Into our next example, very fast, example 2. We have example 2 here. That is a 2.5 into bracket 43.9 plus 6.1. So what is the procedure? In this case, we have a bracket, or inside the bracket we have addition and then a multiplication to open the bracket. So what do we have? As the procedure is, we work out the addition in the bracket. So we have 2.5 into bracket. Add this. 9 plus 1 is 0 because it is 10. So you get 10, you write 0, you carry 1. 3 plus 6 is 9. We carried 1. So that makes it 10. So in this case, I have a 0 on the column. Then 4 plus 0 here is 4. Plus 1, the one that I carried, I have 50. So the total of what is within the bracket, or once I work out the bracket, I get 50. So now my sum is 2.5 times 50. 2.5 times 50. So we usually say when you're doing multiplication like this, you work it as a whole number like that, where in this case our result is going to be 1250. Then place back your decimal point. So in this case we have one decimal place. We place it there. So our answer becomes 125. So that is the second example. Let me do the third and last example very fast. Very fast. The third example for today, I have a sum like 9.6 times 10.8 over 0.06 times 0.9. Still on combined operations on decimals. So when we have this kind of operation, what will be our procedure? So the first thing here we learned in school, we said that you have to make sure that you convert all the decimal numbers we have here to whole numbers. So you have here 96 times 108 times, how many decimal places do we have? 2. Over 6 times 9 9. How many decimal places do we have? 1, 2, 3. So times 1,000. 100 and 1,000 removes the decimal places that we have in our particular sum. Then when we are working out multiplication and division, here to make our work easier, we learned that we take this 96 times 108 over 6 times 9 times the reciprocal of this. Because this is a division, we multiply the first part of the sum times the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now, and our second fraction here, our last fraction is 100 over 1,000. Its reciprocal is 1,000 over 100. You cancel 0 and 0, 0 and 0. Then here, continue working out by cancelling where necessary, or simplify by cancelling. So 9 here, 9 can go here, 1, 2, 12. 9 can go here, 12. Then 6, 1, 6 here, 2. So you have 96 times 2 times 10. 96 times 2, 96 times 2 times 10. 96 times 2 gives us 192. 96 times 2 gives us 102. So times 10, then that will be 1,920. So 96 times 2 is 102. 96 times 2 times 10 then gives us 1,920. And that is our result. So with those three examples, I believe you can follow through and continue practicing on your own even while at home. I'll also send you some work which will help you continue with your practice. Thank you.